In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a dehydrator to manage any kind of kale glut and save some up for the winter or for whenever you need it. Hello and welcome back to Grown Frugal. So today I discovered that the kale that I've been growing for ages was shading out some of my new squash. So what I decided to do was to take out some of that kale and preserve it using a dehydrator. So I've taken some photos and some video along the way, and I wanted to share with you so you can have some idea of what you can do and if this happens to you. I hope you find it helpful. This has taken about 4 or 5 hours to get to this stage, and all the kale is now completely dehydrated. And so I'm just going to pack it into a Kilner jar, and then it can just go into a dark cupboard. Off it goes.